In this video, I will share 3 trends that are redefining video which accelerated by the pandemic. Whether you are running any video marketing campaign, these trends are affecting globally. Let's discover all the trends now. The first is video consumption and connected TV are trending. Since the pandemic in 2020, video streaming was quickly become the preferred way to enjoy content. Whether it's from YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus or any social media platforms, users are switching the free time to watch more videos and stay at home. When people are unable to go out to test a product, videos reviews are becoming one of the main sources for the buying journey. Besides, connected TV or smart TV experience significant growth than before. Most of the time, the YouTube app is pre-built with the TV and users are able to connect their smartphone to control the YouTube playback. In other words, if you want to build your online presence from now and beyond, video content is slowly becoming essential. The second is e-commerce is accelerating and fueled by digital video. It's no secret that e-commerce has been growing for years, but the pandemic increased its momentum. As consumers continue to shift to digital, video will play an increasingly important role. One reason for this shift is that while consumers want the convenience of researching and reviewing products online at home, they also want the trusted guardians of an in-store experience. That's where product reviews and unboxing video come in. Personally, if you want to grow your online store or marketplace sales performance, I would highly recommend to include your product demo videos on the product page. The more the client can see and visualize the products, the higher chance they might purchase from you. The third is the short form content is here for the long run. I would say the duration of short form content is around 60 seconds or less. This is why TikTok is experiencing exponential growth and almost all social media platforms have their own version of stories feature now. Users are favoring catchy and straight to the point content they can consume right away at any time. Furthermore, the barrier of creating a good video is so easy now as everything from recording, editing and uploading can be completed with one single smartphone. Regardless which business type you are, I suggest starting a simple and shorter video for content creation. Remember about this, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Okay, that's all for the sharing about the trends that are redefining video for this episode. Don't forget to watch other series of videos related to video marketing tips. Thanks for watching and remember to like this video. See you in the next video.